Are you thinking about moving to Westminster, Colorado? Well, we got about a foot of snow last night, so you're gonna get to see what the city looks like after that. But in this video, we're gonna go around, check out 3 different homes in 3 different price points so you can see what may fit inside your budget. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you this little landmark that the whole city of Westminster was named after. And we're gonna jump into it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Denver, Colorado, or the surrounding areas like Westminster, Colorado, then go ahead and subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to learn about the current market in Denver. My name is Jamie. The team and I get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you who are looking to make that move. So whether or not you're moving in 7 days or 70 days, go ahead, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd be happy to help you make that smooth move to Westminster, Colorado, or Denver. So let's jump into it. So we're here at our first stop on the south side of Westminster, right off of Federal Boulevard. Not in any specific neighborhood, but this location is great if you're commuting down to Denver or up to Boulder, because we're right by Highway 36, which will take you up to Boulder, or I-25, which will take you down into the city. There's also a light rail station within a mile of this home, and this is a pretty great area for activities. You have Water World, which is the water park right down the road from here, less than a mile. You have a couple open spaces around here, 2 large parks with baseball diamonds. This home is gonna be a pretty awesome home, built in 1953, $489,000, 3-bed, 2-bath, a little over 1,500 square feet, bringing it to about $318 per square foot. And everything on this home has been renovated recently, starting in 2019 with a new roof, new driveway, new AC, new water heater, beautifully remastered, a beautifully renovated master bathroom, and you can't see it now, but they have a desert landscape yard, which you're not gonna have to pay to water your grass in the summertime, which is awesome. And as you can see with this road behind me, the city plows this road, which is a major plus. And that's not a standard thing that you're gonna find with any house that you're gonna buy. Some roads don't get plowed by the city, but this one does. So this is a pretty great spot if you're looking to commute into the city or up to Boulder. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. So we're here at our second neighborhood, a pretty quiet neighborhood right in between 2 major exits in Westminster. So you're gonna have the downtown area, the Westminster Promenade north of us over here, and then below us all of your other shopping like the Best Buy, Target, TJ-Maxx, Petsmart, all that kind of stuff. So a great location for that, very close to Highway 36 also. So if you're going up to Boulder, this is another great spot for you. A little bit of open space around us, a couple trails, so you can see pretty much everything that you're gonna wanna do is gonna be within this area. But this house is gonna come in at $750,000, 4-bed, 3-bath, 3,200 square feet, bringing it to about $235 per square foot. Great open concept living room. Finished basement. The only thing that I could say about this house is that it has carpet in the master bathroom. But great location in all. You can see pretty quiet around me. This road does not get plowed by the city, so you're gonna have to deal with that. It's a little bit hard getting in and out whenever no one has driven on it yet. As you can see, a lot of snow. But let's go ahead and check out the next one. at our last neighborhood for the Westminster tour on the northwest side of it. Pretty much residential, not many shopping centers, nothing like that around here. Close to 104th Avenue, also close to I-25, so you can get north and south pretty easily. 2 golf courses within drivable distance around here, but like I said, it's pretty much all residential. This house is going to come in at $929,000, a 5-bed, 5-bath, 4,600 square feet, which brings it to about $201 per square foot, which is pretty good for the area that we're in and how close we are to all the major roadways and how quiet of a neighborhood it is. But it has a laundry room with built-in shelving, so you can do all of your laundry right there and then put it away, which is pretty cool. A large finished basement, which will be perfect for a pool table or a game room. A cooktop on the island in the large kitchen that opens up to the dining room and opens up to the living room as well. So just a huge open floor plan, and then a pretty decent backyard with a stone patio. So pretty great location, very quiet around here. Great price for all of the home that you're getting at 4,600 square feet. Let's go ahead and check out the hidden gem of Westminster. We're here at our small hidden gem of Westminster, the Westminster Castle, built in 1891 from red sandstone from the Red Rocks area. It was originally built to be a university, didn't turn out that way because of the world wars and funding, so now it's home to a Christian school and a radio station. But a little fun fact about it, it was built in 1891, the city of Westminster incorporated in 1911, and they didn't have a name for the city, so they just named the city Westminster after the Westminster Castle. So that's where Westminster, Colorado gets its name. If this was your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Denver, Colorado, or the surrounding areas like Westminster, Colorado, then go ahead and subscribe below. Tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Denver, Colorado. And whether or not you're moving in 7 days or 70 days, go ahead, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd be happy to help you make that smooth move to Westminster, Colorado, or Denver. And I'll catch you next time.